dear friends, welcome to a sunny day here in the Netherlands. These days we are blessed with quite a good weather and that is why we are making the most of it. I wanted to show you how we spend our summer days in the Netherlands. First stop is beach. Well, it's not a real beach, it's a man-made beach. Nevertheless, मी vlogging करते हैं. मला आवडतं. We have got our snacks, we have got our toys. Yeah. And now we are going to go to the beach. Yeah, beach time. I think these kind of beaches are not real. I mean, they are man-made, but it is like one of the most exciting things for us to do as a small family during the summers. It is so amazing. You can just come here, chill on the ground. There are a lot of play activities also here, and I think a lot of places in Netherlands has these sort of beaches. And today we lucked out because I think it's the holiday season. That is why people are out of Netherlands for the holidays, and there is not a lot of crowd on the beach. So we had the entire beach to ourselves. And one of our most favorite activities that we like to do for the summer days in the Netherlands. Bye bye beach. The next thing that we like to do on summer days here, like these beautiful summer days here in the Netherlands, is go for a walk. So grateful to have this walking path. As you can see, there is literally no one here. My son rides his bike, we have a chat, we walk, and that's like the best thing to do on a summer day. I cannot talk about summer days in Netherlands without a good old bike ride. It is too sunny actually, hence my cap. But we are going to... Last weekend we explored a forest a little bit. I have a vlog about that here. But today we are going to do that in detail and also have some fun at the park. So let's go. No matter how much fun you're having in the game, if your toddler says game over, it's game over. Now we are again on our cycles and now we are going to go and explore a nearby forest. Let's go. One thing I wanted to clear, that when I say forest, it does not mean like forest with animals and everything, but it means like a piece of land with a lot of trees. As you can see, the whole sky is also covered. Even though it is sunny, bright and very sunny outside, it's quite shady and nice inside. So it is good to like ride your bikes here with a lot of peace and hear the natural sounds. So people do come here for like a walk, as you can see there, or ride a bike, but it's quite nice. And sometimes there are some deers also here. We have never spotted one, but yeah, it would be cool if I get to see one today. Other than that, I am not going to vlog while I'm cycling. I will try to vlog because it's a bit difficult to do that, but let's see if I can do it. As you can see, even though it is sunny outside, inside the jungle or inside the forest it is nice, and there's a lot of shade, so it feels good to ride the bike without a hat and a goggle and all that gear. But yeah, my bike is not a mountain bike, it's a normal city bike, so we do want to explore even the hidden, you know, paths inside this forest. But we are not going to do that because, as you can see, there are massive potholes behind me, and I'm not going to put my dearest cycle through all that today. But someday when I get a mountain bike, I'm going to go through all those potholes and not fall and also not damage my cycle. All right, next stop. Guys, I have found something which I never thought I will be able to see in the Netherlands. Do you see that? A hill, a mountain. Well, mountain or a hill in terms of Netherlands standards, because Netherlands as a country is quite flat, so we really miss the hiking that we used to do. Hiking, when I say hiking, climbing the mountain, hiking that we used to do back in India. But here is a little small little one that we can explore. Let's go and see. Honestly guys, I have been staying in the Netherlands for 2 years, but I have never seen a top view of anything because there are so little hills or mountains, so it is out of question. But and I was very happy that I found this new spot. Oh, such a hidden gem. Apparently it is very common. It's also on the Google Maps. It was a military or an army base a few years ago. So yeah, not so hidden, but I'm so glad that I found it, because these views are the exact views that I was looking at some vacation places in Europe. These were the exact views that I could see there. So I'm so grateful to be able to have these views to just enjoy over the weekend and for you guys through my videos. Honestly, I thought climbing the mountain was a problem because of my chappals, but I think climbing down is an even bigger problem, because if you can see, the road is like full of pebbles, and if you slip on one, so I think I should put my camera down and focus on going down.